A very good morning to everyone. Thank you for joining our live webinar on the onboarding essentials. So in this webinar, we are going to cover our HDFC products, pricing, features, overall app walkthrough, and basic understanding of the MTF facility and the futures and options, and also the HDFC research. So to benefit of all, I will use both Hindi and English in this webinar. If you have any question, you can share in chat at any given point of time. I will be happy to answer all the questions after my session is concluded. Now, let's first understand about the pricing. So, first thing is your आपने जो भी account open करवाया है, that is a demat and trading. Okay. So, the first year AMC is totally free. There is a no annual maintenance charge on the first year. पहले साल आपका कोई भी account opening का neither trading neither demat का कोई charge नहीं है. From the second year, अभी चार्जेस के अंदर देर आर इफ यू हैव HDFC बैंक अकाउंट और आपने HDFC बैंक डिमेट अकाउंट ओपन करवाया है एंड इफ योर बैंक कैटेगरी इज नॉन मैनेज देन द चार्जेस इज 750 रुपीज. अगर आप पूरे साल में ट्रेड नहीं करते फर्स्ट ईयर में देन द सेकंड ईयर चार्जेस इज 750 प्लस जीएसटी. और अगर आप ट्रेड करते हो एटलीस्ट वन ट्रेड देन द चार्जेस इज 500 रुपीज. If your bank category is classic, then if you are inactive for this year, then the charges is 500 for the next year. And अगर आप एक्टिव हो तो 250 रुपीज हो जाएगा. If your category is preferred at bank, then if you are inactive, then the charges is 300. And if you are active, then there is a no charges. And for the Imperia category of the clients, there is a no charges. Okay. And if you have a other than this HDFC bank account, ओके आपका अगर HSLDP HDFC सिक्योरिटी डीमैट अकाउंट ओपन हुआ है या आपने अकाउंट ओपन करवाया है जहाँ पे HDFC बैंक लिंक नहीं है तो वैसे अकाउंट में द चार्जेस इज 750 प्लस जीएसटी फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर. ओके. एंड सेकंड थिंग इज डीमैट डेबिट चार्जेस. तो जब भी एज अ क्लाइंट कोई भी यूजर कोई भी क्लाइंट शेयर शेयर करता है यानी बेचता है then the charges is for the non-managed and the classic clients there is a 0.04% or 30 rupees whichever is higher. अगर आपका HDFC बैंक डीपी है और अगर आपका बैंक कैटेगरी नॉन मैनेज है या क्लासिक है then the charges is 30 rupees or 0.04 whichever is higher. अगर आपका बैंक कैटेगरी is preferred and Imperia then the charges is 0.03 or 30 rupees whichever is higher. अगर आपका HDFC बैंक डीपी है और अगर आपका HSLDP है विच इज HDFC सिक्योरिटीज डीपी देन द चार्जेस इज 20 रुपीज पर ट्रांजेक्शन. ओके. तो दिस इज ओवरऑल अबाउट द प्राइसिंग फॉर द ब्रोकरेज एंड ऑल whatever the plan you have purchased according to the that or also as per your bank category the brokerage will be charged as per the your purchase plan or the bank category. Okay. So the next step is before we are going to the overall app of walkthrough, first we will see the basic settings of our account. So for that there are two things required. First is the DDPI and the second is the derivative. If you are want to trade into the derivative segment, future and option segment, तो आपको derivative segment activate करना पड़ेगा. और अगर आप MTF में ट्रेड करना चाहते हो तो for that you have to activate the DDPI. First I'm covering the overall snap. I will show you the live also कैसे होता है. तो once you launch the app, जब भी आप ऐप लॉन्च करोगे मोबाइल ऐप लॉगिन करोगे on the right hand side there is a top hamburger menu. Once you click on that there is a privilege section is there. तो जहां से आप F1 privilege एक्टिवेट कर सकते हो. One you clicks on enable, you have to accept the terms and condition and then after either you can upload the document or you can fetch the bank statement from your bank. So there are roughly 17 banks are there. अगर आपका अकाउंट वहां पे है अगर आपका अकाउंट HDFC बैंक में है then just you need to enter the OTP bank OTP and the bank statement will be fetched from your bank account and your segment derivative segment will be activated within a 2 working days. Okay, so if you want to trade into the derivative, so this is how you can follow the process. I will show you the online also. Second is the DDPI, which is Demat Debit and Pledge Instruction. Now थोड़ा इसको समझते हैं, what is this DDPI? तो जब भी कोई क्लाइंट एज ए यूजर आप कोई भी शेयर करते हो, आप बेचते हो, then the broker need to give the delivery to the exchange. Now that for that the broker generally needs the POA. जो पहले the older terms is the POA, which is a power of attorney, जहां से ब्रोकर आपके डीमैट अकाउंट से शेयर लेके एक्सचेंज में दे देता था. But now this term is now DDPI, which is Demat Debit and Pledge Instruction. So as and when if you are selling the stock, you no need to follow the CDSL process, TPIN process. ओके, अगर आपका DDPI एक्टिवेट नहीं है, ओके, एंड अगर आपने कोई भी शेयर सेल किया आज के दिन में, तो यू हैव टू फॉलो द प्रोसेस ऑफ द EDIS, तो जहां पे आपको CDSL या NSDL का एक टीपिन एंड OTP यू हैव टू एंटर ऑन एवरी डे. So as and when you are selling the security, आपको every day ये follow करना पड़ेगा. But if your DDPI is active, then you no need to follow this process. You can easily sell your shares on the spot. You no need to wait for the CDSL OTP. Second benefit for the DDPI is your MTF facility will be also activated. अगर आपका DDPI activate हो जाता है, then your MTF facility will be also enabled. Now what is the MTF? I will also explain this. And third is cashless trading is now available. Okay, so if you have any existing stock in your Demat account, so you can pledge this share. आप वो share pledge कर सकते हो. On your pledge share, you can take the additional position into MTF. तो ये तीनों फीचर्स आपके अनलॉक हो जाएंगे once you activate the DDPI. Also, अगर आपका HDFC बैंक अकाउंट है, तो along with this DDPI, your HDFC bank the hold release transfer facility is also enabled. Okay, now what is this? तो जब भी आप कोई भी शेयर्स परचेस करते हो, तो यू नो नीड टू ट्रांसफर द फंड एवरी टाइम. आपका जब भी शेयर आप परचेस करोगे, देन योर फंड विल बी डायरेक्टली फेच फ्रॉम द HDFC बैंक. और जब भी आप कोई भी शेयर्स बेचते हो, सेल करते हो, then the whatever the credit amount that will be also credited to your bank account. So every time you no need to follow the transfer the your fund or marking a payout of your fund, it will be also enabled once you follow the process of the DDPI. Now how to activate this DDPI? तो अगर आपको DDPI एक्टिवेट करना है, अगर आपका नया अकाउंट है, तो आपको एक मेल आया होगा फ्रॉम द eddpi@hdfcsecurities.com. Okay, and in this mail there is one link. You have to click on this link and आपको आधार आपका नंबर डाल के आपको you need to submit the OTP. Once you complete this process, then your DDPI will be enabled within a 48 hours. अगर आपको ये मेल नहीं आया या आपको अगर आपका मेल बॉक्स में अगर फाइंड नहीं हो रहा, then you can mark a mail on the customer care @hdfcsec.com. वहां पे आप आपका यूजर आईडी, आपका या ट्रेडिंग आईडी एंड योर ईमेल आईडी और मोबाइल नंबर क्रेडेंशियल करके आप मेल करोगे, आई वांट टू एक्टिवेट द DDPI, देन डेफिनेटली यू विल रिसीव वन लिंक, एंड फ्रॉम दिस लिंक you have to follow this Aadhaar OTP process. Then your DDPI will be activated within a 48 hours. Now let's understand what is the MTF. So this is a basic understanding of the MTF. अगर आपके अकाउंट में अगर 1 लाख रुपए पड़े हैं, ओके, तो इन कैश सेगमेंट, डिलीवरी सेगमेंट, यू आर एबल टू परचेज द शेयर्स ₹1 लाख ओनली. आप 1 लाख के सामने 1 लाख का ही शेयर ले सकते हो. बट यही ट्रेड अगर आप MTF में लेना चाहते हो, तो you can leverage your position, you can enhance your buying power while placing order into the MTF. तो आप वही 1 लाख के सामने 4 लाख का स्टॉक ले सकते हो. Now on the 1 lakh, if you purchase a 4 lakh, then this 3 lakh will be funded by the HDFC securities. Now ये 3 लाख आप 275 दिन तक, 275 वर्किंग डेज तक ये आप होल्ड कर सकते हो. सेकंड इज whatever the leverage is provided by the HDFC securities, इस पे आपको 1.5% which is 18% per annum ओके 1.5% पर मंथ, यानी 1 लाख पे 1500 रुपए आपको इंटरेस्ट लगेगा. ओके फॉर leveraging this position. Second is you can enhance your buying power up to the forex. Okay, which means as per the script to script, okay, there is a limit option is available. It's not 4x for each and every script. It will be starting from 2x to 4x. As per the script category to category, you can take the leverage. Also, you can pledge your existing stocks also. तो अगर आपके डीमैट अकाउंट में कोई भी स्टॉक्स पड़ा हुआ है, अवेलेबल है, तो that stock you can pledge, and your pledge you can take the additional position into the MTF. Okay, yes, there is always opportunity for the higher return because अगर आप कैश सेगमेंट में बाय करते हो तो 1 लाख के सामने आप 1 लाख का ही स्टॉक बाय कर सकते हो, देन देयर प्रॉफिट इज रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू द 1 लाख, while in MTF you can leverage the position. So yes, there is a possibility of the higher return also, and also there is a flexibility of the repayment. तो जो आपने 1 लाख के सामने 3 लाख का स्टॉक लिया है, 4 लाख का स्टॉक लिया है, तो this 3 lakh you can repay anytime. You can convert your share from MTF to delivery at any given point of time. You can, let's say आज आपने कोई स्टॉक लिया, after 10 days now the fund is readily available with you. You can pay and you can convert your share from MTF to the delivery. Okay, now let me show you the entire mobile app walkthrough. Let me share my mobile screen. Yes, so for mobile app, first you have to install an app from the app store. You have to enter this invest right. आप invest right करोगे तो you can find this kind of logo of HDFC logo, and the mobile app will be downloaded. Once you launch the app, जब भी आप app open करोगे, then you have to enter your user ID and the password for the first time. Now what is your user ID? It's basically your login ID. ओके अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट होगा और बैंक से ही फेच हुआ होगा, देन द सेम द बैंक कस्टमर आईडी इज योर लॉगिन आईडी. अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट से प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ, ओके, देन द लॉगिन आईडी विल बी डिफरेंट. तो फर्स्ट टाइम यू हैव टू एंटर, and then after either from face, either through your mobile pin or your thumb impression, you can log in every time. So you no need to enter the ID and password every time. This is the first time process. Now let me show this right hand side top corner, which is a hamburger menu. Okay, so this is the first screen. Yahan se there is a profile section is there. If I click on, let's say, the photo, then this is your basic KYC details. तो जहां से आपको आपका मोबाइल नंबर, ईमेल आईडी, योर इनकम रेंज, योर एड्रेस, योर पैन कार्ड, योर लॉगिन आईडी, योर बैंक डिटेल, everything you can able to view. Also what all segments are enabled in your account, that also you can check. If you want to edit any details, let's say if I want to change my mobile number or email ID, I have to click on edit KYC and I can enter a new my mobile number or email ID, then it would be updated into your KYC. This is the first thing. Second thing which I want to show is the derivative privilege. So this is a FNO privilege. You have to just click on the enable. Once you click on the enable, तो अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट अगर ये सारे बैंक्स के अंदर है, इफ एट टाइम ऑफ अकाउंट ओपनिंग अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट ये कोई भी बैंक में है, तो यू नो नीड टू अपलोड द bank statement. For the FO segment activation, you have to upload a 6 month bank statement. But अगर आपका बैंक अकाउंट ये कोई भी बैंक में है, तो you need to upload the bank statement. The statement will be fetched from your bank. Okay, if the bank account is not there from this bank, then you can upload any other document which are already list are available. So either you can upload your salary slip or your forms, form number 16 or your LIC policy or your demat holding, anything you can upload to activate the derivative segment. Okay, now let me show the basic settings. Once I click on the setting, then you have to set your PIN or either you can change your password. Also, you have to once click on the MPin and touch pin, then every time you no need to enter the ID and password, just you can log in through your MPin or a touch ID. Second section is a preference. Okay, then the landing page. अगर एज ए यूजर जब भी आप मोबाइल स्क्रीन ओपन करते हो तो आपका कौन सा सेक्शन चाहिए, यू वांट टू रिसर्च, पोर्टफोलियो, ऑर्डर्स, वॉच लिस्ट, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन डिसाइड. सेकेंड इज योर डायनेमिक डैशबोर्ड. अगर आपको बेसिक डैशबोर्ड में कौन सा चीज चाहिए, कौन सा सेक्शन चाहिए, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन सिलेक्ट. यू कैन स्टैटिक डैशबोर्ड या डायनेमिक डैशबोर्ड, यू कैन सेलेक्ट. Under the general section, what all index you want to see on the top of your mobile. Okay, so that also you can select the Nifty 50, Sensex, Bank Nifty, whatever you want. So this is a basic order setting. तो जब भी आप ऑर्डर प्लेस करना चाहते हो तो व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, आप कौन से सेगमेंट में ऑर्डर करना है. सेकंड इज कौन से प्रोडक्ट टाइप में करना है. यू वांट टू परचेस ऑलवेज अ डिलीवरी. If you want to do always intraday, then you have to select the intraday. If you want to do the always the e margin, yani MTF facility, you want to place the order into the MTF, then you have to select the MTF. Also you can select a by default quantity. तो जब भी आपका order pad open होगा, then this details is already there. You no need to select the every time your preferences. So this is the overall preference segment. So this is a basic setting which you can do one time. On right hand types top corner there is a light mode and a dark mode. Both things are available. So कई लोगों को पसंद है on the dark mode, so they can do a dark mode and can view all the details. The second section is a fund. Once I click the fund, I no need to enter the fund every time because I have activated my this DDPI facility then and the POA facility of the bank. Then my the fund will be always hold as and when I place the order. But still I am able to view what is the limit available, what is the utilization, what is the available limit, और वो available limit में कहाँ पे यूज कर सकता हूँ. कौन माय कैश सेगमेंट यूज कर सकता हूँ, फॉर इंट्राडे कितना यूज कर सकता हूँ, फॉर दिस माय फ्यूचर्स एंड स्टॉक ऑप्शन सेल करने के लिए मैं कितना यूज कर सकता हूँ. आई कैन व्यू द ऑल द डिटेल्स फॉर ऑल लिमिट्स आर अवेलेबल इन माय ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. Now, first I will show the dashboard. So this is the basic dashboard, the first landing page of your mobile app. The first time you log in, you will be landed on this page. On the first, there is a index, which is a Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex. If you are an option trader, then आप इधर से ही सीधा order place कर सकते हो. Once you click on any index, let's say I click on the Nifty 50, and the entire option watch list option chain is available from where I can place the order in any of the options. Okay, if you are a derivative client or option client, you no need to go and search for whatever the strike price of the options. You can easily land on the option chain. Okay, the second is a spotlight section. So what all things are currently available, new things. So let's say the Swiggy IPO is going on, Niva Bupa IPO is going on. So there are some of the recommendation of the Diwali. So that also you can explore. There is a one-click IPO uh, bidding facility is also available. Let's say if I click on the IPO, if I want to apply for the IPO, then I have to select the lot and quantity and the cutoff price. Now there is a two option is available. So if your DDPI facility, this bank PO is enabled, okay, then you can apply through your ASBA. Once I click, I agree and I continue, then this fund will be hold from your bank account and your IPO will be bidded. But agar this bank PO is not activated, still you can apply via UPI. You have to click on the UPI, you have to enter your UPI ID. The one notification will come on your UPI app and you have to authenticate. Your fund will be hold and your IPO will be bidded. So this is how you can apply your IPO. If you want to see your IPO order book, that also you can explore from this section. Then the second is what's on your mind section. Under that, what are the trending, which is IPO is trending. Then there is a basket investing. So this is also a very good thing, which is a smallest basket where all the ready-made baskets are available. So as per your risk appetite and as per your overall CAGR and your performance and the investment idea, you can explore all the things from this basket investing, and you can purchase a share in a one click. So you can explore all the baskets. Third is a mutual fund. Okay, so you can explore all the mutual fund, what all things are available, what are the spotlight mutual fund recommendation, what are the HDFC recommended funds. Also, if you want to track via equity fund, hybrid fund, large cap fund, so you can explore all the funds in a single click. Also, you can track the performance. Let's say I want to see 1 month return. Yeah, if I want to see a 5 return, I can explore it from here. And once click on that, I can either place a lump sum order, which is a purchase, and also I can place the order into the SIP as well. Third section is the research. Once I click on the research, on the bottom of the card, there is also research section. Okay, here I can explore all the research of the equity derivatives also for the mutual funds. Once I click on the equity, there is a three segmentation, which is a fundamental, technical, and the trading. Okay, all the calls which are based on the fundamental recommendation, which are under the fundamental, all the calls which are under technical recommendation, which are under the technical section, and for the trading, for a short-term trading or even futures and options call, generally it's available on the trading card. Okay, so once I click, let's say on the technical, I can also see the tagging. So what all calls are provided on the MTF, that also you can track. So these calls are given on the basis of, this is a MTF recommendation. Also, you can explore the all the details. Once I click on this details, you can see the what is the target, what is the potential return, stop loss, what is the time horizon. Also, the entire report is available for this particular stock, why this stock is recommended. All things you can explore it from this research card. Okay. The next section is the superstar portfolio, which is also very good section. From here, you can explore a superstar portfolios, which means a famous personality like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ramesh Damani, Radhakrishna Damani, even all the institutional FII investor, you can track their portfolios also. Let's say if I click on the Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, I can see all the details, what all things are Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are holding currently, at what percentage of the total holding is available. Okay, what are uh, the holdings which are increased, what are the holdings which are the decrease in last quarter, that also I can explore it from here. So there are many portfolios are available under this section, the famous personality, even the institutional investors, even the FIIs. There is also a research card. At the bottom of section, there is a market movers from where you can explore a top gainer, loser. Same way in futures, there are top gainer, losers. In options, what is the volume base? Yeah, uh, either volume base or a positional buildup, PCR, put call ratio. Everything you can track it from here. These are the important updates. Also, you can explore this FII and DI activities. There is a bulk deal and block deal section also there. Advanced screeners. So there are roughly 200 screeners are available on different parameter. You can track your screeners for intraday. So this all screeners are available, which is all stock, Nifty, okay, only ETFs. Okay, so you can explore all the screeners. Then there is a event calendar and there is a top news section. So on the first dashboard section, there are all possible details are available which user wants. All things are covered which are readily available and which the user wants on the daily basis. All things are available on the dashboard. Now quickly come to the watch list section. So once I click on the watch list, there is a all readily available watch list are there. If I want to check what are in the Diwali picks, I can explore this all picks are recommended into the Diwali. Same way, if I want to see the 52-week high, I can explore 52-week low, I can explore a technology stock which I can explore, automobile stock which I can explore. So all the possible watch lists are available on the front screen itself. Okay, but still, if you want to create, you can create a watch list from this section. Okay, we have to add the stock. Let's say I want to add ITC. So I click on the ITC and I have to save under this watch list. Then this ITC will be added in my watch list. Okay, on bottom is there is a watch list where ITC is added. Also, I can track the holding also from this watch list. So let's say I am holding this one HDFC or 3 NTPC. I can explore. Second is a gainer and loser tagging is also there. So this script is available in today's gainer or loser. If there is an event, that also you can track. So there is a tagging of event. Once I click on the card, I can explore what all events are there. So there is a board meeting on the 14th of the November. Okay, that also you can explore. Then there is a star batch is there, which is a recommended. So under Reliance, there is a recommendation from the HDFC. That's why there is a batch is there. So from this watch list also, you can explore all the things like your events, your holding, your recommended stock, gainer, loser, everything. You can track it from your watch list only. Now let's place one order. Let's say a ETF. If I select this HDFC Gold, and if I click on the buy, then how to place the order. Then there is a exchange which is NSE, BSE. Then there is a product type which is also important. If you want to purchase share into the cash delivery, then you have to select the cash. Okay. If you want to purchase a share into the intraday, then you have to select the intraday. The position will be auto square up at 320. Okay, and if you want to purchase a share into the MTF, then you have to select the E margin. Okay, you can also check the margin. So what is the margin for the MTF and what is the margin for the delivery? Okay, so if you click on the no margin, you can also explore if I purchase the share into the E margin, then what is my margin required? Okay, let me check one. Yes, the ITC. So you can check on the bottom of the page, there is a MTF. So if I place this order into the MTF for the ITC, I have to pay 134 rupees. But the same stock, if I place into the delivery, then I have to pay entire 478 rupees. Okay. So this is how you can place the order. Let's say I want to place the order into e-margin. I have to click it and confirm the fund will be hold from my bank account and my order will be placed. Okay, let me take this e-margin one quantity on MTF. Let's hit okay. In this case, the e-margin is not available, but this is how you can place the order. Let's say Canara Bank and hit buy. Fund will be hold from my bank account, and yes, my order is done. Once the order is done, now under the E margin, जब भी आप MTF के अंदर order place करते हो, then you have to authenticate this transaction. आपने जो भी शेयर परचेस किए हैं वो MTF में आपको प्लेज करवाना पड़ेगा. You have to mark this transaction under the MTF. For that, now there is an entire SEBI guideline on the pledge and repledge. So you have to authenticate this transaction on T+2. Okay, so you will receive a one mail, even the SMS from the either NSDL and CDSL, even from the HDFC, where you have to click on this link and you have to authenticate with your OTP. Then your transaction will be marked, your this purchase will be marked as a MTF. अगर आप ये भूल जाते हो, then your position will be liquidated on T+3. Okay. Now the next section, which is your order book. आपने जो भी order किया, you can explore it from here. You can also explore your open positions जो भी pending होंगे, जो भी close यानी जिसके भी trade हुए या इधर आपने cancel कर दिए. You can also explore your GTP order, your stock ships order also. Okay. From here you can explore all the things. आपने कितने में purchase किया, what is your order ID, order number, everything. Let me show once again the entire details of this, let's say any stock. Once I clicks on the NTPC and if I clicks on the script details, I can explore all the things. So these are the market depth, key statistics, performance. Also, if I want to do this SWOT analysis of this stock, I can also explore. If I want to show all the futures of the stocks, options change for the stocks, what are the technical analysis for the stock? Okay, then either the research is available in the stock or not. What are the latest news, block deals, events, overall analytics, financials, MF holding for particular the stocks, and the overall company bio. I can explore all the possible details regarding this particular stock. Okay, on the bottom of the page, there is a SIP order also, even the E-margin order also, even the GTDT order also. Now, SIP, for that, you have to create one basket and also you can place the stock SIP also. Okay, the just like mutual fund SIP, you can also do the SIPs in stocks also. So every month, yeah, fortnightly, weekly, and daily, you can purchase a particular quantity or a particular amount of the shares. Okay, as per your frequency. So this is how you can place the order into the stock SIP. Same way, there is a GTDD order also. Okay, let's say this NTPC, if I want to buy, current the rate is 398, but if I want to buy at 350, then I can place the order into the GTDT and I can select the, what is the till December. Let's say if I select till December 17, okay, if I want to place, if any given point of time, if this NTPC comes at this price, then my order will be placed. So this is how you can place the GTTD order also. Okay, in the watch list section also, there is a dedicated option watch list also. On the top of the card, there is a watch list and there is a option. Okay, this is entire option watch list. So you no need to create a new watch list for the for futures and options. This is readily available. Okay, this is a Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty 50. If you want to check this call and put, if you want to explore this option chain chart, everything you can explore it from here. Okay, this is overall portfolio section. In portfolio, you can explore all your portfolio, all the stocks which are available in your portfolio, that also you can track. This all holdings here of your demat and this all positions are of your MTF. In MTF, I can also explore this all stocks are I have purchased into the MTF. मैंने ये सारे stock MTF में purchase किए हैं. Okay, I can also check for purchasing all the stock, what amount I have paid, what is the HDFC security funded, and what is the total investment value. I can also check on this fund HDFC security funded amount, my interest will be debited. Okay, I can explore this MTF things, MTF portfolio from here, my demat portfolio from here, and overall portfolio from here. Now MTF में जैसे बताया कि at any given point of time I can convert my share and I can do delivery and I will repay my amount. So this is how you can convert. If I want to convert this PSU Bank Nifty, then there is a convert to delivery option is there. I have to select the quantity, I have to confirm. Then this position will be converted from MTF to delivery and the interest charge will be stopped on within the next day. So this is how you can convert your shares from MTF to delivery. Second is, let's say if you don't have any cash balance available for your trading, but you want to pledge your share and buy additional position into MTF. So for that you have to mark a pledge. Okay. So let's say if I select one of the share which is, let's say, a Hero Motocorp. Okay, and if I want to do the pledge, I have to select the pledge. I have to enter the quantity and just I have to click the hold. Once I click the hold, then my limit will be automatically increased within a 15 to 30 minutes. Then I can place a fresh order into the either MTF or derivatives, okay, as per my wish. So this is how you can convert your share to delivery. Also, this is how you can yeah, place the shares into for taking the additional limit. Okay, this is a mutual fund overall order book. This is a overall order book where I seen the open, close, a GTDD order and stock ship order. Although all the open positions either into the MTF or future option, that also you can explore, and also the mutual fund SEEP and lump sum order book, that also you can explore. Okay, so these are the recommendation page which I already shown earlier. So this is the overall things of the this mobile app. Okay, if you are a high frequency trader and if you want to trade from the mobile app, from the desktop, that also you can explore. I will also show you. Let me switch to my mobile screen, desktop screen. For that, you have to log in hdfcsec.com. On the right hand side, there is a login. From here, you have to enter your user ID and the password. Wait, the OTP. Okay, from here you can explore all the things like or your statement. Let's say under the portfolio section, you can explore your portfolio, even all the statement like PNL. If you want to check your PNL, you can check, you can download the PNL also. Okay, with charges, without charges, only for the equity, only for the mutual fund, only for the future and option. This is how you can track. This is the profit, this is the dividend income, this is the overall PNL. Also, if you want to check your capital gain, that also you can explore what is a speculative gain, what is a short term, what is a long term. Okay, so all possible reports are available, which is long term days left. So how many stocks are left and how many days are left for particular this for this script. How much days is left for the long term. So you can also book a profit in short term, long term as per your income tax calculation. Also, there is a XIR report, your year-old end holding report. If you want to explore any your contract note, in the report section, there is all the contract note is available for equity, commodity, currency, even consolidated. That also you can explore. So all possible reports are available. If you want to apply IPO, if you want to place an order into the OFS, that also you can do it from here. Okay. So all the possible details are available. Also, you can place your orders from this web platform also. Okay. And the last thing, which is our research. So this is overall research performance for this last financial year. Okay. So you will continuously got the research from your app also through your notifications, also the research panel. So you can check what is the target stop loss and you can take a decision as per your risk appetite. And these are the list of stock of this Diwali, which is Manifest. This is also available on your mobile app. You can explore which all stocks are recommended for the Diwali, and this time horizon is up to next Diwali. Okay. So let me conclude. Thank you so much. If you have any question, then you can raise in the chat box. We'll be happy to answer all the questions. Charges for the bank employees. Uh, okay, so sir, you can open your web trading platform. Under the web trading platform, there is a under the profile section. You can check your brokerages. Can you share the video recording? Yes, sir. It's available on the YouTube. You can follow this HDFC security page on YouTube and you can explore this video once again. Any more questions? So thank you so much for your active participation. Me Nirmit Shah will signing off. Thank you so much. Have a great day.